So the diverging part is really about thinking big picture. It's about just getting your head above where you sit and just trying to think what's going on around us as an organization, or around my business, or even around my team perhaps, and just think a little bit broader and a little bit bigger. The exploration stage is about really building understanding. Now, again, if you're working on this by yourself, that's just about holding ideas up against each other and trying to understand them a little bit more, capturing more information if needed, or going to find some extra resources if needed. As a group, it can be about trying to understand what this person knows versus what I know, and where the common ground or the differences in understanding might be. And then what we really want to do after doing all of these stages is really converge. And this again could be something that's done very poorly in sort of strategic thinking workshops, is actually really zoning in on what are the priority items to take forward meaningfully. What are the objectives, the goals that we're going to try to tick off? And again, if we can get to some specific actions for people, that again is really starting to converge onto some very clear points. Benefits of SWOT is it's a very simple framework. It can be done quickly. You can engage people at all levels, as I say, regardless of their experience. And you don't need strategic knowledge, experience, or a strategic job title in order to be able to contribute. So it's a great way of engaging people in a sort of strategic thinking exercise. In terms of additional depth, we've also got options in MindMeister to add sort of extra information to our map without cluttering up the surface level. And this can be really helpful once your strategic thinking starts to lead you down the road where you maybe want to do a little bit more research. So using things like notes and hyperlinks in your MindMeister maps is a great way of bringing a lot of additional information into the map without creating lots of clutter.